In the 2030s, the most powerful machines on Earth are not towering robots or massive supercomputers. They are invisible. They move silently through bloodstreams, water systems, factories, and cities, reshaping reality from the inside out. Nanobots, machines so small they operate at the scale of cells, become one of the defining forces of this decade. Their rise marks a shift in how humanity interacts with matter, health, and the environment itself. This technology will redefine life in the 2030s as we know it. Welcome to FUTURIX, your gateway into the future unfolding just ahead of us. Nanobots are tiny machines designed to perform specific tasks at an extremely small scale. In practical terms, they act like microscopic workers. Some are built to move through the human body to repair damage, others clean pollution at a molecular level, and some help manufacture materials with incredible precision. You never see them, you rarely feel them, but their effects become part of everyday life throughout the 2030s. What makes nanobots decisive in this decade is not just their invention, but their reliability. Early research existed long before, but the 2030s are when control, safety, and scalability finally converge. Advances in artificial intelligence, materials science, and energy efficiency allow nanobots to operate in coordinated swarms, responding to real-time conditions instead of fixed instructions. They stop being experimental tools and become deployed systems. In daily life, healthcare feels transformed. Instead of reacting to illness after symptoms appear, nanobots continuously monitor the body. They detect inflammation, infections, and cellular damage early and intervene before problems escalate. Chronic diseases become easier to manage, recovery from injuries accelerates, aging itself becomes less abrupt as constant microscopic maintenance smooths the wear of time. Medicine shifts from treatment to preservation. Work and the economy change quietly but profoundly. Manufacturing becomes cleaner and more precise as nanobots assemble materials atom by atom, reducing waste almost to zero. Rare materials are used more efficiently, lowering costs and supply risks. Entire industries emerge around nano-maintenance, nano-design, and nano-regulation. At the same time, traditional labor in hazardous environments declines as nanobots replace humans in toxic cleanup, deep infrastructure repair, and extreme conditions. Cities begin to behave differently. Water systems use nanobots to filter contaminants continuously. Air quality improves as microscopic cleaners break down pollutants at their source. Infrastructure becomes more resilient because cracks, corrosion, and stress are detected and repaired before failure occurs. Urban environments feel less fragile, more adaptive, almost self-maintaining. Human behavior adapts to this invisible presence. People grow accustomed to trusting systems they cannot see. Responsibility shifts from individual vigilance to collective monitoring. Health becomes something quietly sustained in the background, freeing mental space for creativity, relationships, and exploration. At the same time, ethical debates intensify. Who controls these systems? Who owns the data generated inside the human body? Where does maintenance end and enhancement begin? Nanobots also reshape environmental recovery. Polluted rivers, damaged soil, and contaminated ecosystems become repairable in ways that were once impossible. Instead of large-scale disruption, restoration happens gradually, molecule by molecule. The planet does not snap back overnight, but it begins to heal in measurable ways during the 2030s. As the decade progresses, nanobots form the foundation for even more radical futures. They prepare the ground for advanced bioengineering, adaptive materials, and self-evolving systems in later decades. By mastering the smallest scales, humanity unlocks control over systems once thought too complex to manage. If you're enjoying this journey into the future, make sure to subscribe for more episodes of FUTURIX. By the end of the 2030s, nanobots are no longer a futuristic concept. They are part of the world's underlying infrastructure, quietly working beneath perception. Civilization becomes more precise, more resilient, and more intentional, not because machines grow larger, but because they grow smaller. The future does not arrive with noise, it arrives silently, one molecule at a time.